gracious. Oh my. Wait.
What is that?
That's a car. What's next, Gavin? Okay, everybody. Today we're going to do an awesome playset. And let's go inside. Wait. Oh, but wait a minute. What if it's not in there? Aha, let's take it to the other side.
All right.
What is this? 51.
What is this set? What is this?
It says Hot Wheels.
Great job.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Look at that one. It's in awesome pieces. That's super awesome. Ow! How can it open up? This raise down over. That's a very strange box.
Are you
Try open up.
Are you ready to open it up?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! Gracious. Oh my. Wait.
What is that?
That's a car. And broken wheels and damage. Ready. Put together. Now car is broken. We can take a new way. Make the wheel inside. Maybe not. Maybe this one be true. Screwdriver. Oh, maybe not. What about a screwdriver?
You're doing a great job.
Oops. Daddy, can you help me?
I can help you, yes.
Can you help me build this car?
I can help you build the car.
Try. The screwdriver, turn. Please. We can turn this steamroller. What is that?
All right.
I'm going to use the screwdriver. That didn't work. It's right.
Gavin, you're doing such a great job with the car.
Screwdriver. Bye-bye, everyone. To subscribe and say bye-bye, everyone. And fun and play at all time. We can steamroller, a car, and the awesome spinning room, and the ramp, and the Hot Wheels, all time. And all complete. Hey, subscribe. Thank you.